I like to explain recreational therapy as play with purpose. We look at the holistic view of a person and incorporate all of their interests, hobbies, talents into their treatment. Tatum, who I was working with, she's extremely creative but struggles with anxiety. So we try to focus on different activities and interventions we can use to help her decompress. Today we went on a mindfulness 5 senses walk. Let's just focus on our breathing, the slow, controlled breaths. And if we focus on the core principles of mindfulness, of the attention, intention, and then attitude, it kind of helps us start to be able to re-perceive different situations and dismiss some of those thoughts that are causing us stress or anxiety.
They can use those skills that they are learning of how to help regulate their brain during times that might be stressful inside the classroom.
Traditional talk therapist, you'll sit down and talk about the stressors. They'll give you some advice or suggestions on things you can do. We're actually implementing those during session. We're asking them to try them with us, to experiment, to see what works. So walk me through it. I asked Tatum to think of her safe space and bring in all of the different aspects of her 5 senses. What can you see through your windows? And she was able to express that through art and painting because that's one of her strengths and talents. In the beginning, she was under a lot of stress, and at the end of it, she felt much more clear because she was able to just take a step back and focus on being present and intentional in the moment. Those are all the important things that you can incorporate as a coping skill for stress. Helping the kids in our community is something I'm extremely passionate about, and if I can bring just a little bit of light to one of these kids' lives a day or a week or whatever it is, when I can see them and be an adult that they can trust and also better themselves from the techniques that I'm giving them, it feels really great. I love my job and I wouldn't change it for anything, and just take it in and breathe.